Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to create login and register authentication using Jetstream. So let's start. First of all, open XAMPP htdocs folder in command line or terminal. Now write this command: composer create project Laravel Jetstream and click enter. Jetstream is my project name. So composer starts installing new Laravel project Jetstream in htdocs folder. After installing, enter into Jetstream folder and run the project with php artisan serve command. Copy this link and paste it into web browser. You can see Laravel current version is 9 and there is no login and register pages for user authentication. To create that authentication pages, we have to install Jetstream package into it. Again, open your project into command line and type this command: composer require Laravel/Jetstream. Now enter php artisan Jetstream install Livewire command. It will install Livewire scaffolding. Run Node.js commands npm install and npm run dev to build assets. You can see Laravel build has been successfully installed. Let's go into browser and refresh the project. Finally, the login and register pages has been created. To make these pages work, we have to create database for it. Go into localhost php myadmin and create new database. I am creating Jetstream database. Connect this database with .env file of project. Now go into command line and run this command in your project. PHP artisan migrate. This command will migrate tables into database. So finally all the tables has been created. Users table is empty. We have to register user to create new entry. Go into project and click on register. Enter your details and click register button. So finally you can see user has been registered and we logged in into dashboard. Let's go into users table. So our new user entry is created into users table. Now go into profile option. Here you can change your profile information, update password, two-factor authentication, log out from other browsers, and can delete your current account also. Now click logout button and try to login. Enter your details here and click login. So we finally logged in into dashboard. Through Jetstream you can create your user authentication system. I hope this video will help you to create authentication system. If you like this video, click subscribe button for more videos. Thank you so much.